ano pwedeng sabihin natin? Isipin pa natin yun.
Mamaya na kapag nakalagay na lahat.
Kasi I believe the Miss Dingras. Once again, good evening, Miss Dingras. Your question will come from the chairwoman of the panel of judges.
All right. Miss Sass?
Good evening, Miss Dingras.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's your final question. The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
As someone who, I'll give a little backstory. As someone who has experience moving to abroad, I personally have been to Hawaii. One thing that I truly missed about the Philippines is my family, the people, the Ilocano people. And being abroad really made me long to come home, to bond with the people, to bond with the Ilocanos, and especially my hometown, Dingras. And if I were given a chance to represent or to promote or stand, I would have to say that I am a woman, I am a proud Dingranya, and I am a proud Ilocana. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Dingras. Take your headphones off, Miss Lawag City.
Thank you so much. Please step on the stage for your final look. Once again, that's Miss Dingras. Coming up is Miss Lawag City.
Good evening, Miss Lawag.
Miss Lawag.
What a deja vu moment.
From Miss Lawag to Miss Lawag. And Miss Sasasasot, our chairwoman of the panel of judges, will ask your question. Good luck.
Good evening, Miss Lawag.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's your final question. The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
Well, if there's one thing that I can live without Ilocos Norte is the community itself. The Ilocanos, I believe that the Ilocanos is beyond incomparable. That wherever you go around the world, you cannot really find Ilocano. You cannot find the Ilocano traits that you really see. And if there's one most important lesson or important thing that an Ilocano will always possess is their traits and their kind of responsibilities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Lawag City.
Please move forward for your final evaluation. Take the
Take your-
headphones off. Sorry, for Miss Saran. Strong answer so far, right, Maurice? Maurice, okay ka lang? You're in deja vu din, no?
I was so dumbfounded.
Claps for you, Miss Lawag. Up next, we have Miss Saran.
Good evening, Miss Sara. A pleasant evening, everyone.
All right, your question will come from the chair of the panel of judges. Miss Sass?
Good evening, Miss Sarat.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here is your final question. The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
I'm sorry, can you repeat, ma'am?
The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
Well, Ilocos Norte has a lot to offer. Aside from our beautiful sceneries, the unique products and also the culture and heritage, the thing that I can't live without going abroad is the Ilocano itself.
because the Ilocanos are very supportive, are very warm, and very unity. They are able to support you and at the same time hospitable to the people that comes to our province. That Ilocos Norte, I will going to miss this province, and I am proudly to become an Ilocana, an empowered Ilocana who will be able to become an epitome of change and bring change to everyone. Because I believe at the end of the day, it is in us, it is in our blood, Ilocana, that stand out in other country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Sarah.
Thank you, Miss Saras. Take the headphones off for Miss Batak City. Stunning answers so far, di ba, Marie?
Actually, I love all of their answers.
For
and
sure.
the question is really difficult, I must
Exactly.
say.
Binigyan natin ng ideas si Miss Batak. Hi, Miss Batak. How are you? How does it feel to be part of top 5?
I'm feeling proud in myself because I made it to the top 5, and I hope I make my family in Batak proud.
Okay. I hope you're ready, Miss Batak, because the question will be coming from the chair of our panel of judges, Miss Sass.
Good evening, Miss Batak.
Good evening.
Here's your final question. The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
Sorry, can you repeat the question, Miss?
The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
If I'm going to live abroad, I will tell to them that Ilocanos are very hospitable. They are very welcoming in our province, and with that they are. Oh my God. And with that, they are welcome here in our province. That would be all.
Thank you so much, City of Batak.
Please step on stage for our final evaluation. And last but not the least, our last finalist, Miss Pinili. The chosen lady from the chosen town.
With a great crowd backing her up.
Asa mga taga-Pinili? Ayun.
Good evening, Miss Pinili. Good evening.
How are you? How does it feel to be part of top 5?
I never expected to be part of one, but I'm thankful and blessed right now.
And we're thankful you're here too. That said, your question will come from the chairwoman of the panel of judges.
Good evening, Miss Pinili.
Good evening.
Here's your final question. The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
Can you repeat the question, Mom?
The Ilocano community can be found all around the world. Given the chance to live abroad, what can't you live without from Ilocos Norte and why?
If given the chance to live abroad, the thing that I will never forget is being an Ilocana. I always believe that Ilocanos are adaptive to its environment, and if I will be on the other country, I will spread the characteristic of a Ilocana woman. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Pinili. Please step forward for your final evaluation.
Wow, what